Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will be looking at the fourth step of the run payroll process, which is run payroll. Here you have the option of choosing the various income tax computations as well as the run payroll options either for single employee or for all employees. Select the type of income tax computation from the drop-down. You have three types, one which is compute for this month, use previous month's TDS and consider zero TDS. Compute for this month. Here the tax is system generated and the tax will be computed based on the earnings and the IT declaration. Use previous month's TDS. By selecting this option, the tax will be deducted as per the preceding month, that is the previous month. The option should not be used during the year-end payroll, that is March. Next is consider zero TDS. When this option is selected, the tax will not be deducted for the month. And since there is no income tax deduction, you will not have the override option. This option should not be used during the year-end payroll, that is March. You also have the override income tax option, where you have the option to change the system calculated income tax. Please note that as March is the last month in the financial year and tax adjustments cannot be made, you will not have the option of overriding the income tax. Click Override Income Tax. Enter the employee code or name. Enter the income tax you would like to deduct and click Save. To override income tax for multiple employees, click Import List to override income tax. Click Download Template. Update the details and save the file. Click Choose File and select the file. Once the file is selected, click Import. You can override the income tax provided you have selected the income tax computation type as compute for this month. You also have the option to run payroll for all employees or selected employees. By choosing the selected employees, you will run the payroll for the selected employees by entering their employee code or name, or you also have the option to import the employees list. If you do not want to process the payroll for a particular employee or a group of employees, you can use the option of remove or remove all. Click Next to go to the fifth part, which is Confirm Payroll. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.